If you are looking for a toy that is going to keep your 4+ year old very busy for a long time, this is it. This is my honest review of this DIY robot building activity kit. You can build up to 8 robots with this one kit. There are 240 different pieces, which is what makes it so unique and versatile with the amount of robots or cars you can create. This is a great way to practice building, to work on STEM and science skills. The building blocks are made of ABS material, which is nice and high quality. They are tough. My son loves building things. He's a little young for this kit, but we build it together and he loves it. I like that the instructions are so easy. Each picture shows step by step what to do. You're not guessing. You're not trying to figure it out. It is labeled so well. Right now, we build what's on the pictures, but the great thing with this is as your kids get older, as they get more comfortable building, they can build whatever they want with these blocks. And I just love taking the time, sitting there with my son, having that connection and building with him is so, so important. As a kid, I was actually in the robotic building class myself, and as a past teacher, I love how this is going to help with creativity. It helps with those STEM exercises. So important for your kiddos learning, and it's so much fun for them. In this kit, they learn about gears and motors and levers. They are building, and again, they can be imaginative if they want to build their own, but we built the robot that is guided in the instructions. And then after that, they get to play with it. It can drive around the house. It goes forward and backwards. Such a good quality product. If you are looking for a fun educational toy for a birthday, for a gift for Christmas, we highly recommend.